No, I forgot to put to this and concentrate. Hold on to my fish. No, I'm a fish head for that.
Lover.
You big dirty flyer, man.
Lover.
Hmm?
Yeah, go on, Dad.
Come, what me doing? I make one thing, you know, me and fly. Not trying, no.
One fish.
Why not that video? Why not that?
You understand?
Material with the pants.
That's it.
I think they don't eat. No, oh, thank you. Okay. What the estate name again? Archid Estate, and it's a liquor either way, a liquor cruiser either way, so we're heading in now. So I'm not thrown in. Well, baby. And this is the St. Thomas, right at Poorman's Corner. Around 5 minutes from Poorman's Corner. Well, baby.
I was feeling scared.
Oh, but you're dead. Sorry.
Just say it.
Oh, it's turned out for playing right. So the light is turned out.
Load that.
Should I turn this on then? Oh, yeah, reversing.
Or you can't go off this side.
Well, some of us send the song, my belly full of say. Nigga right is. Ooh. Right now, I'm talking in slow motion. I don't think I can promote the something I promote. Anyway, and it's a hey B&B. When I come to Jamaica, I want to go 1 bedroom or I want to go 2 bedroom. Peacefully and calm and collective. Out nice river water atmosphere, spring water atmosphere, the nice mountainside breeze. It's cool and cozy, different. You know? Calm and collective. Right here, Poorman's Corner, St. Thomas, my parish. Jesus. So I make everything I do with that, so. Jesus Christ, the battery are dead. I one thing, you know, the phone I'm not work well down here with the charger. What name? Whatever I trust name, I don't know more. You know? Orchard Estate. I will just say anything I'm say is law. Because I don't know if I work it out for me. So where me can pronounce properly, I don't do it for me. Air, it's air, A-I-R, it's hair, B-I-N-B. Alright, do we have the key in it? Alright, I'm gonna look, I could get them a view inside. Oh, do we switch on about the car? Why everything I flat me out in idea now? So, I'm gonna go inside for you to get a little tour. Wow. So much my phone depend. %? 4 more. I do gotta open up the property and let's show them what's going on inside. Thank you. Sis, Come be my moderator. Nice you could get away in it. Yeah, man, I'm not tired of Queenie. I know I hear my mouth. I don't. I Queenie, stop it and behave yourself. I Queenie enough to come up here, so come hide from. Watch out, girl, sister. Lord, I'm a sister that love her. I don't know if I know them on this. No. Man, a yard. I don't know if them can't see no cause it gone dull. Yes, a nice 2-bedroom. Woo! Careful, Queenie. Make today shine bright. Nice, calm, cozy. You do relaxing. Yeah. Welcome. You get your little munchies. You get 2 bottles of water.
I don't have no hotel restriction, anything, no smoking for the wall. Take care of the camera. You see me? Yeah.
The fridge is there. Washing machine. Clean. It's very clean. Yeah. So when I want to like a piece of mind, I like to get away. Yeah. Let me make them see in our bedroom. That's another room. Bathroom. Place clean. Calm and collective. Not too fussy. Simple.
Yo. One thing this shelter.
What?
Room service.
I'll be your room service. I will be your room service. Yeah, man. Cozy. Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, into the St. Thomas here, Pullman's Corner, Yellas. Nice little Airbnb here. You have a little mirror that's if you look for yourself. Yeah. Nice little place. Cozy. So, I don't know how it goes. Sometimes when I come to Jamaica, I'm not even have nowhere to stay. Huh? Nice. Yeah, man, everything in there cozy. But I know I'm about to dead. Do we lock up and come? The battery are dead. So I'm going to come back in here. Yeah. Nice, we can get away and the area is nice. You understand? Yeah, man. Well secure. It is well secure. You have to enter the premises with, you know, your code. If you don't have your code, you can't enter. Eh?
You know the person for yours?
No work, my work. Me don't know the. You know the person for your house?
I think I want to do the 1,000.
Yeah. Yeah, do that then. Cause either way, yeah. I remember me that taxi.
See the something I melt out there, you know?
What melt? That's good. Lover, you know, I know how you come stuff me up when I hold it. My belly full, girl. I not even remember this. And what you mix it with?
I buy me almond at supermarket.
I think I great that the rate of how you go on.
I like you tell me I'm not charge you, so maybe I'm not treat tough in my food.
Anyway, Back to the resort now. As we were saying, girl, no need for to live some life, man. I work my work, sis. So you say, look, know the lady? I don't know. I work my work. I know I'm my parish, so I'm honored to come to St. Thomas to promote her nice, like a cozy place, man. You can see a place quiet and peaceful. And loud bird queening around here.
It's a vibes like Caribbean estates.
You can drive this, I could drive this, baby. Please, this one. You can see around that side there. Yeah, it come like Caribbean estate. Yeah, okay. So I want to tell our friends, let me hear Queenie talk something about Center Black them Queenie.
Archid Estate.
I trouble me. Me busy with them. The way the St. Thomas fresh air, so nice.
They're near the mountains, you know?
Tell them do it.
It's near the mountains, fam.
Okay, it's not polluted. Right now, I'm not making it pollute now because it's fresh and nice. I'm making to get some of the fresh air. Woo! All Mother Nature. Yes. So, no one look at Airbnb, you remember to tell me sometimes when I come to Jamaica, the people that put in the house are the whole heap of millions. It's not all the while enough to pay stay a 5-star. Who them I call to? It's not all the while enough to go a 5-star, 4-star, and them star. When I can't go, lady call me. Yeah. You see? Nice like a getaway, you know, sometimes everybody different wants some little peace of mind. See the nice.
You can't go that side there now.
You understand me? Nobody never telling us a 5-star hotel. We're not trouble me for. Yes, I don't for trouble me. You don't leave me alone, my hot girl. My husband, my heart, and my sister. Watch my hot girl sister, a real sister, you know. This is not no make sister, you know.
Let them know.
Yeah.
No knockoff, original.
Yeah. I don't hear that.
No knockoff.
Them still a bill up around here. Yes, nice, isn't it? I have a couple of them house at the backside. I sit down and cock up my foot, so I want to call me. I say, hello. I just want to love my man, bomba clot, and just collect half of them, so you can see some of them still a bill. Hey, the house, you can't go wrong, man. Whether little house, medium house, small house, any Ross house you get a owner of. Yeah. So this is in Cialis, St. Thomas, Poeman's Corner. When you come to Poeman's Corner, it's just 5 minutes, around 5 minutes drive up back to. Yeah, that. Yeah. Yes, and it's well secure, okay? So I don't cock up on the Ross, I go like on a rich. And I look a broke pocket bumble. Yes. When I take one I get, sometimes when I come and shop and I look at self down here and I know say the little change small. When I come at a little small place I relax on myself and enjoy the country weather. The nice fresh air.
And just have a four-wheel, you know?
Yeah.
You know, they down in a late and go. Jilapiatan.
Yeah. Hey, I used to go to church up here saying up at one place near Norris. Up here say Norris there? Yeah. Up at Norris with the Auntie Cassie. The church still up there?
Yeah.
Hey, them time when you go to church, you know. You see, all if you have one pitney, all me have my daughter now and she's sex and she not breed. Watch me a decent it out. If she's sex and she got pregnated and she don't marry, me have to stay at back bench. Yeah man, a nice little area, my little parish. Yeah, as me I say, me used to come church up here with my auntie, R.I.P. Auntie Cassie, my sister. And you see if you go to church and you pick the breed and I have no husband, you have to sit down in that back bench. Them still do them something they love her? That's still going?
Yes.
But it's modern time now, though.
Yeah.
The child we breed supposed to respond to her own sin. Watch a man, you do it